guys, it's me, Scooter_Rider666, and I got this new thing, and it wasn't working. So
No.
Like we tried to fix it a bunch of times. Even.
Dude, that was brand new. Look at this dude.
That was cool.
It's still playable. Just gotta plug it in.
Oh yeah. Wait, do we charge it? Oh, well, watch. I think you're supposed to charge it.
You're supposed to charge it.
Well, should we hit it again?
I guess so.
I hit my knuckle on it. What if it explodes? I'm just trying to fix it. One more, and then we'll throw my hunk of junk on the charger. This was actually brand new. It is. I bought it 2 days ago. Oh yeah, I've got juice. Let's dump this in here. See if it clears out its system. Come over here. All the holes. Dump it in that screen. Oh yeah. This is gonna soak up
Oh,
so
you just got
much.
the new, brand new, cracked brown wallpaper.
Oh, that's cool.
Lit. Let me taste some of it.
Yeah, sure. You want glass in your mouth.
Delicious.
Yeah, wait.
Get back to work, Mr. Squidward.
Yeah, we're done. I'm working on this bitch out. I hope my parents will watch this. Oh, yeah, thanks a lot. You horny son of a bitch.
Back to Super Mega Corner.